How to tap to reload in Warzone 4. So with the new Black Ops 6 Warzone 4 update, if you want to tap to reload, you're going to have to go to a few different places in the settings than what you would have before. So first of all, click the starter options button on your PlayStation or Xbox controller, then press RB or R1 on your PlayStation or Xbox controller to get to the settings. Once you're there, go ahead and scroll down until you get to the section where it says controller. Click on there. Then in the controller settings, you want to press RB or R1 to get to the combat menu. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom where it says combat advanced settings. Click on there. In here, you should be able to see this section here where what you're going to want to do is the prioritization. So right here, you're going to want to click on tap to reload. That means that's going to prioritize that on the interactive/reload behavior. So there are a few different options in there, specifically for you if you want to tap to reload. Go ahead and click on that, save those settings by going out of it, and then you'll have tap to reload on. Leave a like on the video for help, to subscribe for more helpful videos.